mud. We got mud spraying everywhere. We got people stuck.
I have to try it.
We got broken parts. Whoa! Something didn't sound good there. We got wheels flying off.
Well, there's something you don't see every day.
It was anarchy.
Oh!
Stick around and enjoy the ride. You're not going to want to miss it. My name's Don, and this is Adventures This Way. Boys, we're in for a treat today. There's frickin' vehicles parked all the way down the road. A lot of bikes. Need a couple Hondas here today. Lots of Can Ams. Lots of Can Ams.
That's how you know it's a really good day when you're still trying to get somebody out in the dark, 10 o'clock at night, in person.
Man, there's a lot of people here. Holy lifting.
All right, 2021 Fall Ride at the ATV Park is about to commence. What got me? Oh, this is gonna be a great day, boys. Oh, man, there's so many friggin' bikes here. This is ridiculous. Let's go. Well, boys, let's start the show. Something go clicky.
Yep.
What was your axe? Was this one turning?
No, neither.
Oh, that's not good. Scott, your front tires aren't even touching. Your front tires aren't even touching, bud. So
don't got enough tires, tall enough tires, that's all.
Woo! Brakes work!
You don't sound like you're getting full RPMs, man.
No, it's not. I'll loosen this one up for you, for everybody. Again.
Two-wheel drive. That's nasty there.
Yeah, I went around that as well.
I've buried a side-by-side before.
Feeling it in.
No, go down and then, yeah. Good though. Damn. Hey, those work good on the 570 buds.
Once I put a clutch on it, it's
That's what I'm gonna say. You clutch it,
gonna be nuts.
friggin' right.
3, 2, 1.
I was getting covered. Holy shit.
I'm definitely gonna have a 6-inch rod.
Look at 32-inch tire gone. That was awesome.
Well, I went for it. Oh, come on, Ryan. Like, come on. Just not enough. They're so you're this way.
That is a deep soup sandwich.
There's a couple of deep pockets, eh?
Yeah.
One more version on the front. And we're gonna.
You what?
I crushed my Snickers bar.
Oh, you felt it go.
Yeah. Wait. Throw it.
No, just wait.
Still fun though, I'm glad I did it.
Oh yeah, you got. That was pretty.
Give her a little pepper bud. That's how you do it. You want to try that one?
Might as well.
All right.
Is this the bad one?
Sides like 3 feet deep of mud. Your winch is broke? Yeah. What do you mean your winch is broke? Dude!
Yeah, you will.
You guys walk? I'll do it.
Oh yeah, I'll stay. I'm not here.
This is gonna be a good test here, boys. This is gonna be a good test. This is the end of the really bad ones. There's a good go around though. I can't see anything. To give you guys a bit of an update, what a day so far. Whoa! Wow. Just friggin' carnage over here. Carnage. Whoa, 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 whoa! Your friggin' tire fell right off. Holy, that's not normal. Had carnage, broken diff parts. Now we just had a rear wheel just fall right off. It's insane. This is called the rear tire delete mod. Okay? I like to see Josh. You look good on that, guys. You look good like that. You know what? I wouldn't have it any other way.
My bros rock, no brakes, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no.